Could aliens be watching us right now? It sounds like science fiction, but let's break it down. Every second, Earth is leaking signals, radio waves, TV broadcasts, satellite data, all pouring into space like a glowing cloud of noise. If there's any intelligent life out there with the right tools, they could be tuning in, watching reruns of our shows, or analyzing our digital footprint in real time. Let's zoom out. The Milky Way has over 100 billion stars, and recent studies show most of them have planets. Statistically, it's almost guaranteed that some of those planets host life. In fact, scientists now estimate there could be at least 300 million habitable planets in our galaxy alone. So, where is everybody? That's the Fermi paradox, the contradiction between the high probability of alien life and the complete lack of contact with it. Some theories say they're avoiding us. Others say they don't exist. But what if they are watching, silently? Let's talk tech. The James Webb Space Telescope is just the beginning. But aliens, if they're millions of years more advanced, could be using telescopes far beyond anything we understand. Imagine instruments so sensitive, they can detect our cities from across the galaxy using the light we reflect. And it gets crazier. Some scientists believe alien civilizations could hide in shadow biospheres, or they might exist inside stars, black holes, or even in quantum states. That means they could be around us already, not in flying saucers, but woven into the fabric of the universe itself. Watching. Listening. Studying. Now consider this. If they're observing, they might be using non-invasive techniques, like gravitational lensing, to spy on us from light years away without leaving a trace. They could be running simulations, uploading our behaviors into alien supercomputers, trying to understand how humans evolve or self-destruct. And maybe they have tried to reach us. Fast radio bursts, unexplainable signals, and weird phenomena like the "wow" signal from 1977, a 72-second radio transmission from deep space that we've never been able to trace, could have been missed calls from cosmic neighbors. Some theories say we're in a galactic zoo, where advanced civilizations know about us, but intentionally avoid contact to let us grow naturally, just like we do with animals in the wild. We're the ants, and they're choosing not to step on the hill. So, could aliens be watching us right now? Not only is it possible, some scientists believe it's probable. They might not look like us. They might not even exist like us. But in this infinite universe, it's naive to think we're the only ones watching the stars. And maybe, one day, they'll wave back. Aliens, stay curious, stay cosmic, and if you're out there watching us, hit that like button, subscribe to CONCURDACOSMO, and share this video with your fellow Earthlings.